Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to stream on Twitch. Ready to embark on your Twitch streaming journey? Here's a step-by-step guide to kickstart your thrilling online adventure. Step 1. Sign up for Twitch. Join the Twitch community at twitch.tv. It's where the magic begins. Step 2. Gear up. Grab your trusty computer, a top-notch microphone that will make you look like a streaming superstar. Then step 3. Choose a streaming software. Equip yourself with OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS, your streaming sidekicks. Then personalize your stream with a captivating title, pick the perfect category, and tag it with flair. Add mesmerizing overlays and alerts to your stream using Streamlabs or Stream Elements. Before the curtain rises, run a quick test stream to ensure everything's pixel perfect and crystal clear. Then, click Start Streaming in your software and let the show begin. Dive into the chat, answer questions, and create a buzzing, interactive atmosphere. Share your Twitch link on social media and let the world know your lead. Consistently pays off. And that's how to stream on Twitch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.